kiumia kimwe thutha wa kunina gikundi kia motungata ma mwanya SSU ruhonge-ini rwa utuiria rwa DCI, gikundi kiria maabitha kio marakuruhanio na njuragano cia andu makiria ya 1,000 thiini wa miaka 5 na kura kwa andu 237 ihinda-ini riu President William Ruto agitongoria bururi mambura-ini ma mashujaa ni athanite gikundi kiu na maabitha kio mathuthurio na mahingurirwo thitango ni kwagarara ihoto cia umundu, ihoya riria ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia andu irahoete President.
I have directed that immediate measures be undertaken to disband the Special Services Unit in the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and with urgency investigations must be commenced so that those found culpable are held to account.
Ndumiriri-ini yake ya mbere ari President mambura-ini ma kibururi, President William Ruto oringi ni aririkanitie honge cia gukinyaniria watho ati ikiruta wira wacio ni kinyagia onacio iririkane ire rungu rwa watho.
We can efficiently and effectively suppress crime, monitor and disrupt and apprehend criminals without abducting, torturing, killing or causing citizens to disappear.
Ruto oho akirutira mukana aicia mahiu na wikinaĩ ungi hamwe na wa njuragano aria maturite magagitia aikari ya kaunti cia Laikipia, Samburu, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Turkana na Isiolo, akiuga mutugo ucio no nginya ukinye muthia.
The well-being of residents in these areas is as paramount as that of every other citizen in Kenya. And yet, terrorists, bandits, cattle rustlers, and all manner of violent criminals have held them back, extinguishing or deferring for far too long too many hopes and dreams as the rest of the country makes progress. It is time for this lawlessness to stop, and stop for good.
Oho President augite thirikari yake thiini wa mweri na kiumia kimwe tu cia wathani ni heanite wiyathi wa kimbeca na wa uruti wira kuri ruhonge rwa borithi, ruhonge rwa DCI na ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini, agiciuria riu nacio irutire Mukenya wira na ihenya na gitio na wihokeku.
These actions extend to the facilitation of the Director of Criminal Investigations to expeditiously resolve investigations to a standard that can support effective prosecution and secure convictions.
Mutongoria wa bururi ningi ni akinyiriirie ati thirikari yake ndikunira maitho ungumania na aungumania, akiuria bunge ituike maitho ma muingi honge-ini cia thirikari. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.